Guys, stay tuned. I have a giveaway for you at the end of this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, I will be trying out this eyeshadow palette by S.F.R. and this is something new to me. I haven't tried this brand before and this is a very affordable and cheap brand. So I got this from Cuffs and Lashes. I got it for rupees 125 each and they have 3 shade range. This is the blue and green one and this one is the purple one, and they also have another one which is the warm one which has red and orange tone shades. So I have got this two today to try out. I was thinking I will just use one palette for both my eyes. Now I'm thinking let's do one palette, one eye kind of a thing. So that will be a fun video. Also, I didn't swatch any of the shades. It will be a first impression, and if you're interested to know if I like them, if it's pigmented, if it blends well, then please keep on watching. Let's swatch from the first shade, this light pink. Okay, this is called as vanilla. Yes, there is pigment, you can see. It's quite nice, not bad. Next I have the shade biscuit, peanut, caramel. Oh my god. One. Okay, this is not that pigmented. It's kind of patchy, slight bit patchy. Wow. Okay, this is also slight bit patchy and powdery, but it feels very creamy. Next I have the shade cocoa and then popcorn. Okay, let's swatch cocoa. Oh my god. Okay, I got it. So the shimmery and metallic shades are really pigmented and I love the pigmentation, but the shades which are matte is a little bit chalky and powdery. So we'll see how it blends on the eye. Next I'm going to swatch these shades starting from the first shade. 1, 2, oh shit, this is pigmented. So these are the next shades. Again, the matte is kind of patchy. Nice. And the last one is okay, so you can see the shimmery and metallic shades are really pigmented, but again the eyeshadow which are matte is slight bit patchy and powdery. So first I'm taking this matte blue shade and I'm going to apply this on my crease, and the brush here I'm using is MAC 217. Okay, there is fallout, you can see, but that's okay. The next shade I'm going to take is this beautiful sky blue shade and I will blend this two together on my crease. I'm just going to intensify that blue shade because yes, it is patchy. It blended quite nicely. I'm so impressed. Now I'm going to cut my crease. And with the same blue shade, I'm just going to blend out the concealer. Now I'm going to take this shade and apply it over my concealer. Now I'm going to apply this shade on my inner corner. Applying the same blue shade on my lower lash line. What do you think about this? I really like it. I really like how it blended. I really like the pigmentation. Come on, it's looking really pretty. Now I will add some falsies. Now let's see how this palette performs. So the first shade I will be taking is this beautiful pink shade. I will apply this on my crease. So with a clean blending brush, I'm going to blend it so that there is no harsh lines. I'm just going to intensify this. Now I'm going to apply this shade on my inner and outer corner of my eye, and then I will place this shade just on the center. Now I'm going to take this shade called Vanilla and I'm going to apply this on my inner corners and my brow bone. So what do you guys think about this eye look? I think the palette is quite good. This shade has less pigmentation and this is slight bit patchy but blended quite nicely. So I really like this palette as well. So it's all up to you. You can go for either this or this. So if you ask me which one I will recommend, if you want something wearable, go for this one. If you want something colorful, then go for this one. I really like this. The price point is quite good. I absolutely love this palette. Also, if you want to buy any of this palette, I will mention their link down in the description box below, guys. So I will be giving away 5 palettes to 5 of you, and what you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down below which palette you want to win, and whenever I get 10,000 views in this video, I will announce the winners. So that's it, guys. Hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye, guys.